Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to get back the photos that you had deleted in Dropbox. Now let us begin. This right here is the interface for Dropbox. In case you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. It's quite easy. Now let's simply say we want to recover our deleted photos in Dropbox. I'm just gonna delete this photo right here. Let's say I delete it. And right here, as you can see, the photo has been deleted. Now I want to recover it. Well, here's how you can do it. At the left side of the screen, you will see a button like this that is called as Deleted Files. It's just below File and Request. Click on the button right there. And here, as you can see, this right here is the image that I had previously deleted. Now I want to recover it. Do note that you can only restore any file deleted in the last 30 days. In case it has passed the time limit, sorry, you cannot restore it. I'm simply gonna select the image right here and hit on Restore. The button's at the right side of the screen. It's gonna ask for my confirmation. I'm just gonna hit on Restore once again. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the image is being restored. That is the gist of it, guys. As you can see, the image has been successfully restored. That's it for the video, guys. That's how we get back your photos that you have deleted from Dropbox. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.